So now we're quickly going to run through the maintenance of one of these core desiccant style dryer systems. So similar technology to our filtration with the machined and threaded bottom cap technology. Essentially all you're going to do is twist this off and remove it to get access to the desiccant cartridge. And at the bottom of the cartridge there'll be an opening, as you can see here, that the air would travel through. You simply can grab onto that and pull it, and it'll remove this top piece. It'll be sitting on a quad ring that will be holding it in place. And then once you remove the old one, you essentially take the new one. It'll come in a bag as part of a service kit. You'll get a bottom cap O-ring as well, if that needs to be replaced, as well as a grease packet that can be used to lubricate that O-ring. Once your desiccant core style dryer has been saturated with moisture, the indicator will notify you that yes, it is time to either maintenance it or it does fully need to be replaced. And then this one will, obviously the service kit will come with one of those. And then when you do replace it, you essentially push this back up, give yourself about 17 to 20 inches of space to remove the bottom cap, remove the desiccant cartridge, and then all you're gonna do is simply slide it back into place and pop it in. The O-ring will hold it, and then the bottom cap, as you twist it and push it back on, it'll lock it in place and hold it there. There won't be any sort of pouring media, putting it in the oven, anything like that where you're dumping and dusting and getting in your face. It's all fully encased in here. And as I said, it's spring loaded. It's not going to be moving around. It's essentially a simple and quick 2-minute maintenance and replacement of your desiccant media. And then beyond that, if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us at tsunami.us.com.